Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to cook the perfect medium and medium rare steak even if you don't have an outdoor grill. It is very easy and I have been cooking steaks like this for the past 18 years. Start by taking the steak or steaks out of the refrigerator about 30 minutes prior to cooking. After 30 minutes or so, set your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit and start prepping the steaks. If there is any excess blood, tap it off with a paper towel. Then season the steaks with coarse kosher salt on all sides and don't be alarmed by the amount of salt I'm using. Kosher salt is not as salty as regular table salt, but if you're concerned, you don't have to add as much. When done, place the steaks in the middle oven rack and bake them for 20 to 22 minutes at the most. Those are standard cuts of ribeye steak, about an inch thick, but if you want to be precise and have a meat thermometer handy, bake them until the internal temperature reaches 127 degrees Fahrenheit. When the 20 to 22 minutes are over, take the steaks out of the oven and set them aside. The next step is to pan sear the steaks. In a large enough pan, melt 3 or 4 tablespoons of butter under medium to high heat. My burner is exactly between medium and high on this video. Once the butter has melted and it's hot, for medium rare steak, sear each side of the steak for 45 seconds at the most, including the perimeter fatty side of the steak. If you wish your steak to be just medium, sear each side for a full minute, including the outside perimeter of the steak. I usually chop my steak into a salad, and this is what I use the medium steak for, but when I'm going to serve it as is, I cook it until medium rare, and I like to saute finely chopped garlic in butter and pour it over the steak. In either case, when done searing the steak or steaks, set them on a cutting board and let them rest for 15 to 20 minutes before cutting or serving them. First, I'm cutting the medium steak so you can see how perfect it is, and this is the steak I like to use for my salad. And when it comes to serving the steak as is, I prefer medium rare ribeye steak. It is absolutely perfect, tender, juicy, and delicious. If you're new to cooking steaks or don't have a grill, this is a perfect method for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. If you try this method or have any questions, please leave a comment. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. As always, thank you so much for watching and be well. Goodbye.